Hey, what's up, guys? It's Self here once again. So, welcome to my channel once again. And if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel because you will learn a lot of things on this channel. So, the first thing we are doing here today is how you can change your app name. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your app name on Android Studio. So, click on your project. So, this is my project right now. So, I'll be showing you how you can change your app name on Android Studio. So, this is my project. And for you to change your app name, if you are new to Android Studio or you are not into Android Studio, this is how you meet your file and project. So you go to under app and go to under resources. So under resources, you go to values. So under values, you will go to strings. Under strings, you will see strings here. So this is where you will see your app name. You can see this is your app name. So you can change your app name here. So you can change your app name here to